Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial on your first assessment for TE1. Now remember, this is just a mock example of your assessment 1, so it's not the real thing, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go to Google Chrome, go to my website. I'm sure all of you already know. If you don't, so go to sites.google.com/view/sjip minus ICT. And then you're going to go to year 3. So you can check the assignment note and also the mock questions. Okay, let's review the mock questions. So you're supposed to type all of this, okay, and then save it as TE1 resume, your name and class, and then save it in your folder in documents as a PDF. Okay, let's start. Let's go to new tab right here, plus sign, 9 dots, drive, go to new, Google Docs. Okay, this time I'm using Google Docs, not Microsoft Word. So I'm gonna increase the font size. Can you see right here? So plus plus plus, so you get 14. What you need to do is let's type the entire thing first, okay? Then we will fill it in later. So personal details, name, age, birth, gender, email, CBA1 exam results. Okay, English, Malay, as science, music, ICT, EE, EMP, arts. Then after that, you're gonna have co-curricular activities, which is your CCA, sports, and clubs. Last one will be your skills. Okay, you have spoken language, uh, written language, and ICT skills. Okay, now let's fill in this form. Okay, so this is I'm gonna type my name here, full name. Okay, so my age. Okay, since we're gonna write a resume based on year 3 student, okay, I'm just gonna pretend that I'm 8. My birthday, I'm not gonna type the real one, but let's say it's 4th of May, gender female. And your email, okay, it must be according to this format, okay? If you don't have your real email, it's okay. If you have your real email, or if you don't have an email, you can always type your name without spaces at gmail.com, okay? So let's say I'm gonna do this at gmail.com. See, no spaces. You can either do a hyphen, a full stop, or just don't put any spaces in between. So since you are applying for a scholarship, obviously you need to have good results, okay? So I'm gonna pretend that I got my CBA 1 exam results already. So okay, now let's key in the CCA sports. Let's say you do hockey and your clubs is public speaking. Oops, wrong spelling. Now, spoken language, you can put English and Malay, if you know how to speak Malay. If you know how to speak Chinese Mandarin, write Chinese Mandarin. Okay? And Malay. In your ICT skills, let's say you know how to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can even say you use Canva, okay? And then you also know how to use Gmail. Okay, once you have done typing your resume, so you need to write your title of your file, okay? So TE1 resume, your name and class. So let's go back. TE1 resume, your name and class. Okay, so once you are done, go to file, download PDF, and then it will download right here. Okay, so you can click on the download button here. So click here and then click on folder, show in folder right here. So make sure you didn't click open it, okay? This one I accidentally click open it, right, which I don't want. Okay, so click on the white part, click here once, not twice, or else you'll open it. Click on the scissors button, which is the cut. Go to documents, go to your folder. So once you double click on your folder, it will look something like this. And then how do you paste it? Can you see the paste button? Click on paste. So you have it here. Okay, so that's done for part 1. Close this first. So you're done with part 1 of typing your resume. So part 2 is writing the email. So how do you do? Go to new tab, go to Gmail, and then you compose. Okay, let's make it bigger so everyone can see. So let's look at the question again. First thing, you need to send the email to barclaylaura@sjis.edu.my, and then you have to CC Riley at sjip@gmail.com. So let's start with that first. So you're gonna write the email to me and then CC Riley. So can you see the CC button right here? So click on that. I'm gonna click on Riley sjip@gmail.com. Okay, so click this one. Now we have put in the emails already. Next thing we're gonna do, subject. So you need to type T1 A1 scholarship hyphen your name and class in subject. Okay, so TE1 A1. Okay, let's check again. Scholarship. Okay, scholarship, your name and your class. Okay, now you need to fill in the blanks right here. Okay, so first off we need to start with the greeting. So how do you greet? You write dear scholarship committee, comma. Now enter. Now put 5 spaces as an indent for your first paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna type the whole thing, okay? So I'm gonna fast forward on this. All right. So this is how the email looks like. So after thank you, there are two spaces right here you need to fill in, and I'm sure you know what it is. Okay, so you need to write your regards. So best regards, regards, kind regards. Okay, and then after your regards, you need to put your signature. Your signature is your name and your class. Okay, so once you are done, please check for mistakes. Okay, so if you check correctly, St. John's, okay, it's not with double quote, single quote. Okay, International Primary School. Okay, so once you check all of the mistakes, what you need to do is attach your resume just now that you saved on your folder, okay, or in your folder. So attach your files. So click this button. Okay, go to documents, double click on your folder, click once on your PDF file, then click open. So once you are done, okay, make sure you attach it. Okay, once you are done, make sure to check everything before you send. So I have no mistakes, so I can send it right now. So once you have done, okay, that is basically the end of the tutorial. Okay, thank you everyone.